The Kasa KD110 Smart Doorbell is capable of using a microSD card of up to 128 GB for local storage, as well as our Kasa Care subscription cloud service. To install, remove the cover as shown here and insert your memory card. The slot is spring-loaded for easy removal. Once installed, secure the cover with the provided screws. Using your smartphone, check the wireless signal strength at your existing doorbell's location to ensure there's a strong enough signal for the KD110 to use. Tools you may need: a pair of pliers, a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, and a non-contact volt tester. Before continuing, test your existing doorbell for operation. Next, locate your existing doorbell chime. Locate your home's circuit breaker panel. Then turn off the power to the doorbell. Test the doorbell again to ensure it's no longer receiving power or working. Remove the cover to your existing doorbell chime and use the non-contact volt tester to ensure there's no power going to the wires. In the app, choose which wiring method your existing chime uses to know how to install the jumper. Loosen the screws to install the jumper, and then retighten to secure it. Reattach the cover to complete this step. Remove your existing doorbell. Some doorbells are secured to the wall with screws, while others like this can be removed with a flathead screwdriver. Unscrew and separate the existing doorbell from your home's wiring and set it aside. The KD110's mounting plate will need to be installed as shown here. Make sure that the arrows are facing up, and if you plan to use the angle wedge, place it behind the mounting plate and make sure to secure both with the provided screws. If your home's wiring is too short, you can use the provided wire extensions and wire nuts. Attach the KD110 to your home's wiring as shown here. One wire per screw. To attach the KD110 to the mounting bracket, place the doorbell at the bottom of the bracket and push until you hear the click as shown in this example. Now, return to your home circuit breaker panel and restore power to the doorbell. Finally, return to the KD110 and see if the status LED is blinking orange and green. If so, you are now ready to set up the doorbell via the Kasa app.